Hi, hello all. Once again, one more video about the Creality CR-Scan Otter. And today I'm a little bit sick, so my voice will be a bit different. And what I want to know, which I don't think there is available information about that, is on the Otter, for every mode, like for small, for medium and for large, how big is the frame? So how many millimeters high and how many millimeters wide for small, for medium and for big. So I've prepared this metallic sheet, which is a build plate from a 3D printer, and I have these magnetic dots, and I will put the Otter pointed there, and I'll try to get the optimal distance for the Otter. And when I get the optimal distance, which might be around here, so now I'll try to put the dots more or less inside the frame. And actually I just need 3 dots because I only want to know this distance and this distance, so and I think so. Now we can move them. This is not the scientific way to do it, but that's the way I have. I think it's pretty much there, touching the edge of the magnetic on the frame of the scanner. I think it's something like that. So, and right now we are on normal, small, high quality geometry. So wide-wise we have 105 by 65. So on small we have an ideal distance from the scanner to the object of 130 millimeters, 130 millimeters. And we have a scanning frame at 130 millimeters of 105 by 65. This is for small geometry, normal. First, we're gonna change the mode here for medium, scan. Now we will adjust the distance of the scanner to the object, to the surface to be scanned, and I think it's pretty much around here. Let's measure, and we are 210 millimeters away from the target, from the surface. So now let's adjust our frame, our pieces, there. Okay, I think it's pretty much accurate. So let's measure. This is 100 high will be more or less 130. 130. So 130 by 100 at a distance of 210. So let's set our computer for large scan. So now that I have a new surface, let me check the distance again from the Otter to the target. So that distance is okay. Which is again 400 millimeters. And for this one, the size is huge. So let's see. Okay, it can see the marker. So I'll make a mark here. This is really far from being scientific right now. So let me see. There. It's approximately here. All right. We already have one measure. Let me So it will be 1 centimeter away from the board there. Something like that. So here we have 48. So we are 480 by, I would say 330 with confidence. So the results are here. Normal mode, small geometry. The frame size is somewhere about 105 per 65 at a distance of 130. Normal medium geometry 130 by 100 at a distance of 210 millimeters. And then normal large geometry 480 by 330 at a distance of 400 millimeters. These are the results. I find this useful because when we are placing markers, we need to know in which mode we will operate, if it's gonna be small, medium or large. And the spacing between dots and the size of the dot itself depends on it. Depends on in which mode you're gonna scan. Because knowing that on small, if we need to scan something small at a distance of 130 millimeters, which is basically nothing, maybe it would be better to use the small dots. And if we need to have at least 5 readable dots every time for the scanner not to lose track, that means that so 10 centimeters, that means that you should put a dot with a distance between dots not bigger than 3 centimeters, in my opinion, for a small for a small scanner, small size scanner. For medium, I think here we start having some margin to start working with the 6mm dots. And again, I would recommend a distance between dots not bigger than 3 or 4 centimeters. On normal and large, well, here I think we can even use the 12mm markers, because the frame is huge here. It's really huge, and I think you can place a marker every 8 to 9 centimeters from each other, or 7, 8, something like that. And even though I think you're gonna have a good marker tracking along your scanner. Well, that's it for now. I hope I have helped someone. It helped me, because now I have a clear idea about the dot sizes that I need to use for a scan that I want to do. So yeah, this is really good information. So this is my conclusion, and I think I'm gonna print a small card to have together with my scanner, just in case I have some doubts in front of a client. So I hope I have helped. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell to know every time I post a new video. So take care, see you on the next video. Bye bye.